Hey y'all, so today I'm doing some short springy afro twist. The hair I'm using is Outre Twisted Up Springy Afro Twist 16 inches. Color 2T1B/27. So I already did the back. I did 3, 4, 5, 5 again, 5, and 3. So I think I'm gonna make 4 rows. Here it's like a bit frizzy, so I'm gonna add that clip in. We need to split this in half. I don't care if it's even really. So this one is gonna be 2. This one's gonna be 2. These clips come in handy. Make sure you get your clips. So I'm taking just one strand, evening out the ends like this, then stretching it, finding the middle. Now I'm gonna take hold of that middle, loop it on. My hair is the 3rd leg, and I'm gonna braid. When my hair ends up in the middle, like so, I'm gonna split it in half. Then I'm going to twist, just a regular twist, like how you would 2-strand twist your natural hair. Alright, we're coming up on my natural hair ends, so I'm gonna add in some Edgewax and continue to twist down. This helps seal it in so that the hair doesn't poke out, and continue to twist down. These are quick because they're short. So let's try to be quick because I'm late for something. So even out your ends, braid it tight. Make sure your hair is in the middle, split it, then twist, add in that wax. And twist to the very end, and then coil them so they don't come out. Alright, next row. I think I'm gonna make it 3, even though next row, 3rd row will be 3. Alright, 3rd row's done. 4th row, this is going to be 4. Ooh, to be almost done, y'all. Almost done. We are 2/3 done. This is why I like short hairstyles, because you can do it fast because the length is short. So like, you're not spending all day going down on one individual thing, like one individual twist. Oh, they look pretty. I just looked at it in the mirror, in the camera. I wasn't sure about this color and how it would look against my skin tone, but I like it. Because usually I don't get 27. Alright, so this side's done. It is pretty. The roots ain't rooting, but it'll be cute. It'll be a cute side part. I already know. And I'm putting some beads on it too. Alright, let's hurry up. Yeah, the roots ain't rooting because of the way the hair is. Once I'm done filming, this makeup comes off because I don't wear nobody's makeup in the summertime. Alright, these two is 2. I didn't use the Edgewax on the roots. That's probably why it's not rooting. So funny. Come on, you should have been twisted up. Like, why the hair all out the twist like that? Y'all see that? Twists are like the easiest summer hairstyles too. That's why I love them. If this could be the twist channel, it would be. I would be doing twists every week or every 2 weeks. I use that mirror, Lunaflexa mirror, for the back of my head once again, and that's on lunaflexa.com. And you can use my coupon code to get a discount on your mirror. It's really helpful. I use it almost every time I do my hair now, except for like my natural hairstyles. But hairstyles like this, I use the mirror all the time. I'm using it now so I can film and see my hair. Now what did I do on this side? I did 3. No wonder why I'm late. But I'm just mirroring what I did on the other side. So this second row is going to be 3 again. First row is 2. Hopefully I don't run out of hair, because I just ran out of hair out of the bundle I had. So I'm about to go in the pack and see what's going on. I can actually count how many I need. Alright, so this is what I have left. So this comes with 3 bundles. And I just finished that first one. So let's pull out this one here. Come on. Okay, so it looks like I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pieces left. This is 1, 9. Oh, we just have an extra one left over. So we're good, we're good, we're good. We're good in here. Alright, so I'm gonna, yeah, you already know what I'm doing. So it's 12 twists on both sides. And then whatever I counted in the back. My cat just walked past and said something, so I guess it's his dinner time. He's like, what are you doing? I'm hungry. He's scared of the camera and he's scared of my ring light. So that's why he didn't come near it. Whew, last 2 rows. I said this is gonna be 3. Hey y'all, so I'm done. As y'all saw the parts and all that. Okay, so I'm gonna take my crochet hook with the beads on it, pull it through. It would be cute if I push them up like that, but I'm gonna put them on the end. So I'm gonna get a rubber band, secure it on, then push down the beads. Alright, so this is it. What do you guys think? I like them. They look natural. This is the length in the back. The length in the back. The length in the back. It's like they're so pretty. So this is like a quick summer hairstyle. That's what I'm gonna call it. The video. Quick summer twist. There's no beads on this side. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thumbs up this video if it was helpful. Check out more like this on my channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one.